Today's tip of the day from Car Care of Jupiter, Florida. Chevrolet truck owners 96 through current. Most common problem with a crank no start is the fuel pumps in those things. Most of the vans, trucks, all of them. Even if you hear the pump running, sometimes they don't build enough pressure. But a lot of times you just won't hear the pump running. So have a buddy of yours crank the truck while you slide underneath of it, locate the gas tank, and tap the gas tank, in different spots with your hammer while your buddy's cranking it. Don't beat the hell out of the tank, but give it some good taps in multiple spots. It should fire up.